The energy efficiency of the Nilight LED pods is noteworthy, providing high output without excessive power consumption. This efficiency can be particularly beneficial for off-road enthusiasts looking to maximize their vehicle's battery life while ensuring optimal visibility. While the performance is commendable, users may want to consider the brightness level adjustable options if their needs change based on driving conditions or personal preference. Overall, the Nilight LED pods stand out for their combination of brightness, durability, and ease of use. Whether navigating rugged terrains or simply enhancing road visibility, these light bars offer impressive functionality for a range of driving situations. The waterproof construction provides confidence against the elements, ensuring the lights perform consistently in rain, mud, or snow. Additionally, the broad compatibility with a range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and even boat